Here comes the dump truck rolling by, big and strong, it's built to try. It carries dirt and gravel too, cool and rubble all for you. Dump truck, dumper, dumping away, lifting the bed to clear the way. With a hydraulic lift so strong, it dumps the load and moves along. An open box bed at the back, ready to carry a heavy stack. At the side it zips and lifts, dumping dirt in steady shift. Dump truck, dumper, dumping away, lifting the bed to clear the way. With a hydraulic lift so strong, it dumps the load and moves along. Dump lorry trailer working hard on the road or in the yard, for transporting loads from here to there. The dump truck's always everywhere. Dump truck, dumper, dumping away, lifting a bed to clear the way. With a hydraulic lift so strong, it dumps the load and moves along. So when you see that truck come through, moving dirt and sand too, just know it's here to get things done. The dump truck's work is never done. Dump truck, dumper, dumping away, lifting a bed to clear the way. With a hydraulic